Hey everybody, Roy here, Roy and Joe's Project Car Garage. Well, we've got Joe's Camaro into the alignment shop this morning. We're at Les Schwab in Caldwell, and a guy named Troy, we heard about him through some other guys at car shows, and he was at a different tire shop when he did my car last summer, but I was able to find out where he was at, and got the car down here, and hopefully here in an hour or two we'll be able to drive her home. It actually drove pretty good coming down here. Just the steering wheel is just off center to the left, just a hair, but it didn't want to wander or pull or anything. But then again, we live pretty close, so I didn't get over about 30 or 40 miles an hour. So it was a good drive. Nice morning, a little overcast. Anyway, we'll give you an update when we get back home with it after we get aligned. We're on our way back from the alignment shop. Car drives awesome. I took it up to about 75 on the interstate, straight as an arrow. Couldn't get the alignment perfect. And when he tried to do camber, it was affecting the Casper more than he liked, or caster. But it drives really good. No more kind of wandering at freeway speeds or anything like that. And it was towed out before, and it was kind of hard on tires, I guess. We had tires that were about 1,300 miles on them, but already worn the inside pretty good. So that should be taken care of. And he said just other than just a tiny bit of wear in the tie rod ends, everything else looked really good. Especially, of course it should, because they're all brand new control arms and ball joints and everything else. So but so far it drives really nice. Really happy with the alignment, and we'll get home and get on to some other things.